Hey guys, this is Rajni here from Brizzy Mommy YouTube channel, and I welcome you all to my review on ClickCash. So today I would be taking you through to the sales page, and I will also be showing you how the members area looks like and what its features are. And I would also be talking to you about the bonuses that I have to offer you and also the vendor bonuses. And I would also be talking about the benefits of ClickCash. All right. So in a nutshell, ClickCash is it's a software which actually helps you make profits just by sharing your links, and when anybody clicks onto your link, you get paid $24.99. So it's just that, anytime somebody clicks on your link that you have shared, you get paid $24.99. And nobody has to buy anything from your website or from your, when they click the link, it doesn't mean that, only if they buy a product, you get paid. No, that's not how it is. Whether they buy it or not, as long as they click on the link, you get paid. That's how it is. So if this is something interesting to you, please stick with me, and please do stick with me till the end of the video so that you will know how this whole thing works. All right. And before I go into more details on the product, I would like to share with you the custom-made bonuses that I have for you. And these bonuses would be an added advantage to ClickCash. So if you choose to pick this ClickCash through my link, please do click on the link down below in the description box. And when you click on that link, it will take you to my bonus page. And you could click on any one of these yellow links here which says click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. And you would be able to avail the product with my bonuses. All right. So when you click on the link down below, this is where it will take you to. And let me quickly run through the bonuses that I have for you. Okay, just want to let you know that these are custom made, so that it can make you'll have more advantage of ClickCash when you get this. So I do not want you to miss on this. So bonus number 1 is a bonus tutorial. It's a hack to access Polaris PRO. I think the pro version of Polaris. Bonus number 2 is a bonus tutorial hack which helps you learn SEO by SEO Studio. Bonus number 3 is a bonus tutorial hack which helps you learn how to drive traffic to your products. So this one would definitely be beneficial with ClickCash, because it's all about people coming in and clicking on your link that you share. So if you can get more traffic, there's already enough traffic for you. You don't have to pay for any traffic. There's already enough traffic for you in ClickCash. But if you can use this method to drive in more traffic, you get more benefit out of it. You can earn more cash. So I really wouldn't want you guys to miss out on this one. Okay, so bonus number 4 is a bonus tutorial hack on how to learn how to blog. So all this is definitely going to be a great value to you when you buy the product ClickCash. All right, you could click on any one of these links, these yellow links here, to pick the product before this countdown time hits 0. Okay. All right. So now let me go take you through to the product to see what the product is all about. Now, and a reminder here that ClickCash will be launched on the 25th of October at 11:59 p.m. And from then on, you would be able to go and click on any one of these links to avail the product. Now, as I said, ClickCash. Okay, so the features about ClickCash is you can get traffic in as less as 22 seconds. And you could also start enjoying profits of $500 to $1,000 per day. All you've got to do is to set it up once and then forget about it, and your profit starts, just keep coming into your account. There's no selling required, so you do not have to, think that only if somebody clicks on your link and purchase a product, only then you will get paid. Unlike any of those products that you get paid only when somebody buys something through your website or your product. This is different, where when somebody clicks on your link that you share, you get paid. And also, talking about sharing, you do not have to create your videos or any content to share. Everything is done for you. You just have to follow the instructions, or just follow the step-by-step video tutorial that has been provided in the members area. I will be taking you to the members area in a short while, so you'll get to know what's happening there. And also there is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's worth the try, guys. So if you want to pick this product, give it a try, and then if you do not make any money out of it, you can always ask for your money back. And this product is actually brought to us by Sean and Say. So these are the creators of ClickCash. They have put together all the efforts to bring this product to us so that we can also benefit from the methods they are using to make a good amount of a good amount of profits or commissions through online business. So thanks to them. And also you could just set it up it's an easy setup. So all you got to do is click on the link down below in the description box to avail ClickCash. And then it's just 3 steps, just 3 easy steps. You just got to go activate it, turn on the no selling monetization inside of ClickCash. Okay, it just takes 1 to 2 minutes to set that up. And step 2 is you link up. So you just press one button to auto drop your link to the buyers available. And step 3 is every time someone clicks on the link that you share, you get paid $24.99. Now, $24.99 might seem a small amount, but every time somebody keeps clicking, the amount just keeps adding up. And as they said, it could, go up to $1,000 a day. And if you wanted to make more income, you could always choose to upgrade by picking any of the other products that I will be showing you in a few minutes. Okay. So that's about this. So it's just easy setup. So this ClickCash can give you guaranteed cash. It's guaranteed cash. It's because, as I said, nobody has to buy any products through you. This to me it sounds like some kind of help to some advertising company. I don't know. That's what I think. Okay, so maybe because everything is done for you. You don't have to go create anything. You just have to do or follow what is said in the tutorials. You just have to follow that and set everything up. And somebody clicks on your link, you get paid $24.99. That's why they say it's guaranteed cash. Now, this ClickCash is available to you for a one-time price of $17. It's just a one-time low price of $17, and you can use the product forever. Okay, you do not have to keep paying anything after that. It's just a one-time price of $17. And when you actually open up the sales page, immediately there'll be a pop-up window that appears up with a further $4 discount. So if you choose to pick up the product then and there, you could get this product for just $13. And I just want to let you know that this price is subject to change. So once, after the launch, I think it will be available only for the first few hours. And after that, it is subject to change, and it could change to like $297 per month. So, afterwards, if you come back and decide to pick up this product, you might get this product and end up paying $297 a month, which is, I do not know whether you would want to pay that amount. So, it's ideal to pick this up right away, because anyways, you can see that, you're anyways going to get some guaranteed income out of this. And if it doesn't work, always, there's a 30-day money back guarantee. You can ask for your money back. All right. And as long as you have ClickCash with you, you can just start making income. So it's just unstoppable, because if this product, you may not know, this product could be, it's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme or anything, but if people keep clicking on your link, you don't know, you might not know how many people would click on your link in a minute, and then you might start getting a lot of money out of it. Okay, so what the features of this is no expenses required. So once you get the product, and you just have to follow what's in there. Okay, you don't have to keep paying for autoresponders or hosting or domain names or anything like that, because ClickCash, it just lets you profit right from when you purchase a product. It's 100% autopilot software. So once it's set up, you don't have to keep going behind it, because it just starts, generating commissions for you day after day. It's a fail-proof system, because it's been proven. They've been using it for more than 5 years now, and it's getting good traffic. And because everything is from traffic, so they have all the traffic in there, and it's been proven and tested, so it's fail-proof, and it's got consistent results, and it's built for beginners, so anybody can use this. And I would say, when compared to so many other online products that have been sold, this would definitely be ideal for beginners, because I'll show you how this sales page looks like, because when you go there, you'll realize that everything is done for you. You just have to kind of choose the options from the drop down box and just set it up, and start making money when people start clicking on your link. So this definitely would be very ideal for beginners, and no computer required, so you could even do it on your phone and profit anywhere in the world. So wherever you are in the world, you could start earning your profits. Now, you know what? I'll take you through to the members area. Okay, so this is how the members area looks like. Yeah, when you click on you've got your dashboard. When you click on the dashboard, this is what you get to see. You've got a video, or a free gift and VIP training video. You've got around 21 ClickCash sites, 17 ads, 39 campaigns, 25 niches, and you've got all the ClickCash magic sites here. So all these sites are already here for you. You just have to choose from these. When you click on the ClickCash sites, you click on manage sites, you've got all these sites here. You could go and manage. I think you could pick from any of these, whichever you want to share. You could choose from any of these links and then just share them. You go click on new sites, you would be able to create a new site here. Okay, and then niches, you click on niches, you get to see the the screen here, and it's all about, you just have to go click on new. When you click on these drop boxes, you get all these down, all these options here. You could just have to click on any one of these options, type in your niche name, and there's something called slug here, so even if you don't fill anything in there, it gets generated automatically. And then you could choose whatever color you want. You've got different colors. You could choose what color you want. And these are the different niches. So when you go through the tutorial, the video tutorial, you will understand how this works. And it sounded very easy to me, and I'm sure it will sound the same to you guys as well. So under campaigns, you could go and create your campaigns, and you could manage campaigns. When you see, I click on create campaign here. So it all looks very friendly, user friendly. It's nothing to sit and crack your brain or crack your head on how this thing works. So everything looks very easy or very simple to me. All you've got to do is just choose everything or write everything. It looks all very simple. And then got traffic here. You've got two methods of traffic. One is the second method. You've got to sign up and create an account there. You've got your ClickCash ads. You could just go create your ads there. You also have banners. You could go add banners there. You've got your monetized campaign. You've got your text ads, your image ads, your video ads, call to action, and all that under that. And then you've got your upgrades. You always go and upgrade to any one of these here on the side. Yeah, you've got all these options up under the upgrade tab. So you could go and click on any one of these to upgrade. So when you upgrade, you obviously get more money, So it's up to you. It's your choice which you want to do it. And then you've got your tutorials. So you've got you've got a few tutorials in here. Yeah. So please watch the tutorials in depth. Understand what it is. Because they've put in the effort to create these step-by-step videos so that you can understand it. Don't skip any of the videos. Go step by step, understand how it works, and then implement it on how you work. And it's definitely going to start making money for you. If it doesn't, 30 days money back guarantee. Okay. And then you've got your support desk here. So anytime you struggle with anything, just go type in a question here, and your support desk would be at your service. Okay. So that's how the members area looks like. All right, guys. So I'll take you through to the the prices and upsells. So the front end is $17, and you've got a downsell price of $13. And with that you get the powerful ClickCash software and trading modules. And upsell number 1, you get unlimited campaigns. It is for $47, and you get it for a downsell price of $37. So in this you get commercial license. You get more than what you can gain in the front end, and you also get to unlock additional features to dominate, run unlimited ClickCash campaigns and supercharge results up to 10 times. And you could create unlimited ClickCash campaigns. You could generate unlimited ClickCash magic links. You get unlimited free traffic, leads and sales on autopilot, and you could get upgraded to the ultra fast ClickCash server. You get 24/7 support and pro video training. And upsell number 2, done for you campaigns, which is $297, and you get it for a downsell price of $197. And at this, everything is done for you. You get to keep 100% of the profit. You get 5 fresh done for you ClickCash campaigns in top niches. You get 5 done for you ready to go products. You get 25 done for you high converting videos in different niches. You get done for you SEO optimization for viral traffic. etc., etc. Upsell number 3, you get high ticket maximizer. So it is $97 and you get it for a downsell price of $47. So in this, you could effortlessly make 10 times more money than the previous versions. You could you get done for your email swipes, done for your bonuses to boost up sales, done for your high converting sales funnels, etc., etc., and in-depth video tutorial. Now, option number 4 is traffic booster, which is $167, and you get it for a downsell price of $67. And the downsell prices are only if you choose to pick the product through my link before the countdown timer hits 0. Okay. This upgrade allows customers to write on our traffic sources and insights to get more traffic from the internet. So with this upsell number 4, the traffic booster, you get to tap into the gold traffic system of ClickCash that generates $28,900 in 24 hours. So it's $28,900 is not a small amount, oh God, okay? So in 24 hours, if you can get that kind of money, sounds very impressive to me. And then you get, you can drive unlimited traffic directly to your ClickCash pages and skyrocket your daily sales. And many more other features in here. Upsell number 5, you get the reseller license. So it's $297 and you could avail it for $97 downsell price. And this, you get the done for you software business in a box without any hassle, setup, or cost. And then you could leverage their 7-figure team of top-notch designers, copywriters, and developers. And you get to keep 100% of the profit to yourself, and you get to make up to $864 per sale. And you do not have to handle customers support or anything. The team at ClickCash will take care of all that. The technical part, the customer support part, and everything. And even the video tutorials and everything. They take care of it. Option number 6 is Passive Income Masterclass, which is $47. And you can get it for a downsell price of $27. So this members with the skills to generate passive hands-free income through their specially selected multi-streams of income masterclass. Option number 7 is a multiple streams of income masterclass. So I think with this upsell, you get to avail multiple, up to I think 7 specially selected multiple streams of income. So multiple streams of income could be availed for this. And again, guys, these downsell prices are only if you choose to pick the product through my link before the countdown time at 0. Now, let me talk to you about the bonuses the vendor has to offer for you. So the bonuses that the vendor is happy to give you is worth $4,997, almost $5,000. Okay, but these bonuses are absolutely free for you. Now let's see what the bonuses are. Now bonus number 1 is worth $997, and this is a Jumpstart Internet Marketing Kit, which helps you earn $1,493 a day. Bonus number 2 is worth $497, and this helps you go from $0 to $500 a day in 30 days. Bonus number 3 is worth $297, which will help you earn $486 a day, set and forget blocking system. Bonus number 4 is worth $997, and it's a 30 days list explosion income. So with this, list building isn't required with ClickCash with this product because it's a hyper profitable skill and not to be taken lightly. So this product will help you, it'll help you learn how to make good money in 30 days. Bonus number 5 is 60 seconds funnel profits mastery, which is worth $1,297. So in total, you are getting bonuses worth $4,997 just for a one-time low price of $17, which is subject to change, guys. So if you choose to click on the link down below in the description box to avail the product, through my link, you get to pick the ClickCash product with the bonuses that I have to offer you, saying that they are custom-made bonuses, and also these bonuses that are worth around $5,000 that the vendor has to offer for you. Now, what is it that you get with ClickCash? So that's a final reminder to let you know as to what you would get with ClickCash. Okay, so you get the ClickCash web app, which is valued at $997. ClickCash built-in traffic, valued at $597. You've got the 1.5 billion user traffic source access for $497. The ClickCash auto traffic machine builder, $497. The free bonus number 1 is, as I said, valued at $997. All the free bonuses worth of around $5,000. So in total, everything that you get is like $6,673, all for just a one-time low prices, $17. Guys, I would say please do not hesitate. Go give it a try. Give it a try, and just try your luck. It might work for you. Just click on the link below to avail the product. And I wish you luck with this. Let all of us start making money, And if it doesn't work for you, please claim for your money back, because this is a 30-day money back guarantee. All right, guys. So I hope you liked my video. Please please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like my video. See you next time in my next video. Until then, bye.